Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Bank. This is actually my YouTube channel name, and in today's video I am also going to share really interesting Kling 3.0. This is also coming soon on the X feed as the best combination as expected that there will be some thrilling and epic feature. Yes, scaling, motion control, scaling 2.6, scaling 01 added, and here you can also find more 4K resolution means there will be more expecting user. We are going to share if you are new on my YouTube channel. You can easily subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, and here you can even check out the expecting from the K-Link 3. We are also going to deep dive with that, and so that we can also check out how K-Link 3.0 is next frontier for the people who love creation as content. So be ready to join and get a useful link in this video description the killing 3.0 because we have already experience on the Higgsfield about killing motion control, killing 2.6 and killing 01 added for professionally. But but we are going to coming on the killing 3.0 that is not random. Killing has quietly become one of the most important model in generative AI. If history repeats itself, we are only days or week away from killing 3.0 announcement that could completely reset our expectation. Yes, our expectation with the killing 3.0. This is already seen that wave of experimental K-Link 01 that is about the added rollout, longer clips, better motion, native audio, multi-shot generation, and here key thing in killing never ship experiment forever they unify them. It's mean in killing 3.0 we are going to watching out something really interesting with multi-shot generation, and there is unified on the Higgs field as usual. We are going to moving faster to anyone else surface these update first, and killing 3.0 is expected to be moment where all the fragmented feature turn into one unified and master model. We are talking about the 15-second. Yes, 15-second. It's mean we are coming on the 15-second clip, multi shots, and native audio. There further perfect character consistency with element. There you can also check native audio baked in, near perfect character consistency using element. And that is what where you can also see existing baseline the real rumors extended generation we see already in the k line as there is motion control k line killing actually killing 01 video added, and there are many other, but we also love their creation. You can also check how reels are going to be made. But if we come into the Kling 3.0, that is the next frontier. Kling pushes into 30 to 60 second output if instantly become most powerful AI tool model for social media storytelling, educational explainer, and short form cinematic narrative. Yes, this is not better AI video. This is entire workflow replacement. We are already joined here in the killing 01 killing 2.6, or you can also find about something interesting then there no stitching, no reprompting every shot, or no character drifting actually. If killing, then you are going to enter into the new era killing AI creative engine. We are not talking about incremental progress, we are talking about category shifting. You can also upgrade your account honestly. This might be moment AI video goes with fully stream, and we are here to show you about Kling 3.0 upcoming multi-model video model actually. So there you can also check one Kling 3.0 released, you can access to Higgsfield as soon as officially published. It means on the Higgsfield, you are on a hub where you can easily access it. And if you come on the reddit.com, where experts are already joined and they are going to given you next expectation about Kling 3.0 and with other multimodal, because they also need to explore it. And for that, there you can see what they are going to unified native 4K with 60 fps. It's mean there we have seen turbo 1080p mode, and now 3.0 base is rumored to be next first handle 4K without upscaling the artifact. And their holy grail regional imprinting, it's mean along the text based editing. This is really awesome for the people to come. And there I am also curious what type of they are going to unified, because there are three main features we have seen: Kling motion control, Kling 2.6, and Kling 01. It's mean all of these features are also upcoming with some advanced feature that is upcoming. Kling 3.0 upcoming on the Higgs field, people can easily join to. And yes, if you want to know about something that possibly expectation, then I also expect with the official release on Higgs field is publicly available updates. You can also follow them, and they're reducing the initial video the creation transformation, and people already joined are also working to know how control motion impact working. This is about your professional video editor. This is about to discover something that is controlling the creator mind situation, because this is not just easy or not a normal thing that your output should increase from 5 second to 30 to 60-second range. That will be killing strength in social media and storytelling. And officially you can also get updates on their official Telegram, Twitter, where you will see Higgsfield and King AI is here killing. It's mean you are going to be a part of it, something innovative and something that is really worthy. So if you have any question, you can ask in our comment box. See you in next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.